is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. I wanted to jump in, talk about 3 tools that help you press into resilience and what to do when your dream flops, right? What to do when it goes sideways. So the very first thing is just talking about the idea that sometimes we have best laid plans, right? And it doesn't go the way that you planned and it's totally beyond your control. That's happened a lot during COVID. I know one of my projects during COVID was the Seeds of Hope cards. They literally took 2 months longer to produce than I originally intended, than I originally planned. And it was truly beyond my control. There were things that I couldn't control in the production process. So we look at, these things that kind of went sideways. I had, for example, during COVID, during the lockdowns here in Colorado, I started a live group during lunchtime. And I called it the Lunchtime Lighthouse. And these beautiful things came out of that experience. And it didn't go as I planned. It didn't go how I originally had envisioned it. What we get to do, though, in situations where things go sideways, best laid plans, what you can do, which creates an instant reset for your resilience, is to go back and stand on the why. Why did I choose to do this? And it gives you fuel to keep going on the journey. It gives you fuel to take the next step, and it gives you fuel to take the next step on the detour. It gives you fuel to continue going and to pick up speed and momentum again when you've lost that momentum. So that idea of going to the why are you doing what you're doing? Focus on the why you're doing what you're doing instead of focusing on what's going wrong. Number 2, what if in the right direction? What if in the right direction? So part of what happens when things aren't going as planned is we tend to worry it. We tend to go into anxiety, fear, worry, and or anger. And we say, what if? What if this happens? What if this person is hurt? What if I lose this? What if I look bad? What if I get rejected? What if I feel abandonment? What if they think I'm stupid? What if they think I'm dumb? What if they think I'm incapable? And so we tend to go what if in the negative direction. So the second thing to build your resilience is to what if in the positive direction. What if this detour leads me to create programs that I never ever would have created before, which is what COVID did for me with the Lunchtime Lighthouse or the Lunchtime Learnings. I created something that I never would have done otherwise. Seeds of Hope. I had time to work on the Seeds of Hope cards. And so you can create something brand new out of the detour, right? Lemons out of lemonade, I guess is another way to say it. So the last thing that I would say is to press in and to risk. I just got off the phone. Actually, I've finished all but one of the interviews for the Women's Responder Resilience Summit that I'm planning, that I've never done before. This is the very first time I'm doing it, and I have to tell you that there's been some moments of overwhelm for sure. There have been some moments where I'm just like, I can't do the tech, I can't do this, I can't do that. Focusing on the can't just spirals you down the toilet, just drills you into the ground. So what we get to do instead is we get to focus on really the idea of taking that step forward. Again, going back to the why. Why am I doing this? Because there's a heart call for me. I was built to do this. At least in this season of my life, I was built to do this and to equip first responders and victim advocates so that, encourage and equip them so that you can continue to be a light in the darkness, so that you can continue to spread tools that help heal and help people get some resolution to whatever happened in their lives. So we look at that fuel, we look at the what if and turn it into the positive direction. What if this is going to bring me into the person that I was meant to be? And then again, just that pressing in, right? Pressing into taking that risk. Doesn't matter what people think about me. It doesn't matter if this is a heart call. It doesn't matter whether it looks totally logical or not. I'm going to take that step. I'm going to take the first step because it's easier to steer a moving car than a parked car, right? So pressing into the opportunity, pressing into getting more information so that you can make a decision. Those are the 3 steps that you can take that help you build resilience, even when it seems like or feels like or looks like your dream is crashing. Those are the steps that you can take. This is Anna Christina. These are the reasons why I'm excited, and we're sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.